welcome back to the channel. So hope everybody had a great holiday. This is what, Saturday, so this is what, New Year's Eve, something like that. Well, doesn't matter, holiday on the farm, you gotta always do something. So here, I'll just take you and show you what's going on and why we have to do what we got to do. So, hey, what's up, girls? What's up, mamas? Babies are all huddled underneath the hay. It's windy, very windy, and very kind of like rain and snow. So, I'm sure you've seen this before, but this is our male Flemish Giant. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Hey, you got eye boogies. Give me that eye boogie. Yeah, there you go. So he's in here, and then we've got this one here. She's Psycho. She's a female New Zealand. Not a very good mother, but you might end up putting her in a freezer. And then we have this insane amount of rabbits in here. So this is our female doe, Flemish, and all her babies. So let me turn the camera the right way. Hello. So we got all the babies in here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? Is that right? I thought there were 7. I don't know. Anyways, oh yeah, there's another one there, I think. 7. And they're due to be weaned, and that's the issue. Because in this hutch, I've got 3 New Zealands. This hutch, I've got 2 New Zealands. This hutch, I've got a male New Zealand, and this one, I got a female. So we have 3 females, and I don't have, and these guys right here, these baby Flemish Giants are, oh my gosh, are due to be split up, and I have nowhere to put them. If it was summer, I would probably just do something else. It's raining, snowing, something today. Nice and windy. Feels like winter finally. So what I'm doing today is, I've already did the legs. So these are, I cut these yesterday. I didn't video that. I just needed to get it done. I had a white oak on the, and it wasn't a very nice, it wasn't a butt log. It was probably second or third log on the tree, so it had a lot of limbs. You can see that it's all knotty. So I didn't like this big knot right here. So this is my back legs. They're 68 inches. And this is my front legs. They're 72, 6 feet. And then I've got 2 2x4s for the ends. And then I have a pile of 2x4s, which I showed doing the other day. So I got to do, they're going to build this rabbit hutch today. So here's my plans, kind of rough plans. So it's going to be 10 feet long, 10 feet, 6 feet high in the front and 68 inches in the back. And it's going to have 3 3-foot rooms in it. So these are going to be, this is going to be for the females. And yeah, so this is going to be for the females. 3 foot, a 3 foot by 3 foot space should be good for the females, their babies, and whatever it's called, birthing box or whatever. So that's what I'm doing today. We'll see how far we're going to get. Let me tell you, those guys right there, those are true 4x4s, and actually it worked out that I think One or two of them are actually a little bit bigger than 4x4, and I didn't feel like cutting them down just to get exact for a rabbit hutch. So those things are 10.5 feet long. They're well close, right at 100 or more pounds each. So this thing will not blow away in the wind. So the legs are white oak, and then the rest of it will be built with red oak. So, all right, well, I'm going to put you on a tripod and probably do, I don't know, we'll do something, probably put you on a time lapse or something, or get going here, get all these pieces cut, and then go from there. All right, let's make sure we understand one thing. I'm not a carpenter. So I do the best I can with what I got. I never built anything professionally or anything like that. And we're using all rough stone lumber. So if you got a comment about my skills, well, you know where that comment will go. Let me try this again. I just had you on time lapse. Didn't know it, so didn't get to hear anything. So what I've done so far, is I did put this board across the front for the door to close against, but I'm not digging it. So I don't know yet. I might have to take the screw out, and I might have to try to pry this out and cut these off. I don't know yet. That's a problem. Gonna have to revamp that probably. And then what I've done so far this morning is I put this center support down, and the why I'm doing that is because of these. Number one, such a big area. This thing is 3 feet by 3 feet. Let's see what I'm looking at here. The hardware cloth is too flimsy, and it just bends down, and eventually it just won't work. So, and plus with these Flemish Giants, they get up to like 25 pounds. So what I'm doing is I got this center support in, and then, so right here, you see that? Right here is going to be a wall. So this, from this post to here is a pin. So I'm going to put these guys in here like this. I'm going to do that the whole way down so that there's only 18 inches anywhere for that hardware cloth to support. So, I mean, the only thing is I have no idea like how long this is going to last with, you know, rabbits and pee. The pee is ridiculous. So, and then once I get these all done, I'll put these in, and then we'll go, I don't know what we'll do next, but we'll do something. I might have to deal with this dude right here. So, alright, well I'm going to put you on time lapse, get this done, get those back ones done, and then we'll see where the next direction takes us. Okay, so what I got done here is we're doing our hardware cloth on the back half, and then the front half is going to be bored so they have some place to get off of, get their feet off of here, and then, you know, because I mean, so far, anyways, they always poop in the back. So what I'm doing now is I've got the getting ready to saw. I need to saw 1.5 inch strip across here, and then I need ones for here. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. fix that. Can you see what's going on? Speak up. Speak up. Can you see what's going on? Maybe over here. Oh my God, I'm gonna hit the ground. That better? That's better. Okay, so now I'm going to put a strip to hold this down. Unfortunately, my hair stapler, I don't know, it won't work. So, just do this. We'll use these guys. Okay, so where is my hammer? Oh, jeez. Good thing you didn't see that. If you didn't see it, it didn't happen, right? Out. All right. All right, so now we're going to do the board. Yeah, right here. We're going to put a flat boards across here so they have some place to get off of the wire. All right, I'm going to shut you off here and I got to get some boards.